Hi, I'm Sean, and this is Julianah. We're both students here at Birkbeck, which is part of the University of London.
If you're a UK UCAS student wanting to start your studies with us this October, you will need to apply through UCAS Clearing.
Remember, UCAS and Clearing are only for full-time undergraduates. Postgraduates or part-time students can apply directly through Birkbeck's website.
Here's a simple 3-step guide on how to apply to Birkbeck via UCAS Clearing. Step 1. You can apply to Birkbeck through Clearing anytime with the deadlines in the video description below. On results day, log into your UCAS hub to check if your firm or insurance choices have been accepted. If not, or if you've changed your mind about where you'd like to study, you'll need to apply via Clearing. You can search for Birkbeck courses with clearing opportunities on the UCAS website before receiving your results.
Step 2. If you want to study at Birkbeck, call our clearing hotline to see if we can make you an offer. Our friendly advisors will answer your questions and help you find a suitable course. Check our website for hotline times. Have your grades, UCAS clearing number and contact details ready when you call.
Step 3. If we offer you a place and you accept, log into the UCAS hub to add your clearing choice and confirm your place. If you choose to study with us, we'd recommend joining us at our next open day to explore our campus and facilities.
If you are in clearing, don't panic. We're here to help, and the process is straightforward.
Last year, thousands of students found a place through Clearing. Hopefully, we'll see you at Birkbeck soon.